Naka-bell all naman, kaya makikita ko naman yung anong live mo. Pinayin o si Mix Channel, nayari na po kita, madam. Ay, ma'am pala. At may bakas na po ako na nag-iwan. God bless. Sabi ni Sir Cadence. Salamat sa iyo, Sir Cadence. Sir Cadence, thank you so much. Pinay Dan, sabi ni Proof Green. Ayan, loves, Pinay, dikitan mo yan si Proof Green. Taga-ibang bansa yung mga yan. Araw-araw yan nandito, si Proof Green. They are friends from where are you again, my friend, Proof Green? Proof Green Academy. Happy street party days. Hello, Thai Beats. Shout it to you, Thai Beats. CCSD, done treat from Little India. Be safe always. Sabi ni The Loves OC. St. Patty's Day. Okay, okay. Kanggi, salamat sa iyo dyan, Kanggi. Okay na tayo sa nakapin. Thank you so much, Thai Bets. Sis Loisa, mag-end live na ako, sis Kagala. Loisa TV. Honda CRV. Thank you so much. Okay na tayo sa nakapin, guys. Bye, sis, my customer. Sige lang, Kanggi. Unahin mo yung paninda mo. Mabuti umaga. Yeah. Mabuti tanghali na, hapon na. At salamat sa iyo, mabuti umaga. Kanino na ba itong mabuti umaga na to? Ako si Dons, ma'am. Dan po at dikit agad. Sabi ni Cadence. Mag-iwan ka lang ng bakas kasi busy yan si ESD. Good morning from Finland, my friend. Okay, you're from Finland, my friend. Mabuti umaga. Tapos na 72. Okay, my friend, mabuti umaga. Thank you so much for the like number 72. Mabuti. Are you also from Finland? No, I'm from the Philippines, my friend. Mabuti umaga. Philippines. Mabuti umaga. My hair don't look finished. Because my hair is very, very messy. Messy hair. Pati ba naman yung buhok ko pinapansin? Mabuti umaga. Because my hair is curly. My friend, mabuti umaga. Makapagpagupit na nga. Short hair. I want a short man. Kay sir, mabuti umaga. Dan na, may bakas. Parang hindi